Sabit Olivia ori in charge w'izaro aharikagad hospital yashobora ngo abakazibona bazireje kandi n'abashaho babire baro kubahereza ubuyambi.
I'm giving to all mothers that the midwives are there for them, and all maternity services are available in public service 24/7 today and all the days.
Ogu yayongera yayendeza abakazibona bazirekero kikuru kirungi kandi yashaba nabo barakwenda kuzara okugumana bazaro mu marwaro okwenda ngo abana babona banyina bagira amagara marungi.
For the mothers or for the couples who have given birth, I wish them a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Ebyo bikiri yaho Eva Star tumurebere omuzari saharikagad maternity ward nawe obena yambo mbakazi kuzara ashoborere nginemo mukazo zira abana bashatu kandi ogunayendo buyambi ahari yabona babwine.
As this mother, I was interacting with her. She told me, though she has delivered those triplets, they are all alive. She told me that her husband is a peasant, so she needs some assistance to cater for these boys to make sure that they are all fine and maybe in future to be important people. So please, I urge you and I request you any assistance. We request you to render the assistance to this mother so that she caters for these boys.
Omuringo ngugumwe abakaza bazira abana babo kandi abesera amazina garimo nka Emmanuel, Jesus, Mary Gloria hamwe na Muruni borekero kushemerwa ahawa abana babo kwijo mu nsegi na munonga hacyo cya Christmas.
I gave birth yesterday and a baby girl. I'm glad to our doctors and nurses who helped me during my labor time to increase their salaries. Also, drugs in our hospitals are not enough.
Gashakwa Andrew Musinguzi, Sky TV ya Genshonga.